Dear children, we are now going to add 4-digit numbers. Okay, already we have discussed single digit addition, 2-digit and triple digit addition. Now we are moving to adding of numbers, that is 1000 place, that is 4-digit numbers. Let me do. First I will show you the 4-digit number, that is 3000, okay, plus 5000. Okay, let me start. So this is a 1000 column row. Okay, from the right hand side I repeat once again, ones, tens, 100, and this is a 1000 column. Okay, for this, that is 0 0 0 3. Okay, so 0 0 0 3, move here 3 beats here, so each beat value 1, and because of this is a 1000 column, 1 into 1000, each value is 1000. So 1000, 2000 and 3000. Okay, 3000 plus 5000. This is a 5th beat, that is a 5 number beat. So plus 5000 means move this beat. Okay, now write down the answer, that is 0 0 0 and here 8. So 0 0 0 and here that is 8. So answer is 8000. Okay children, move back to the 0 level. Okay, another sum, that is 6000, okay, plus 2000. Okay, let me do, that is first move the 6000. For this 0 0 0 and 6, for this 6, okay, and plus 2000, 1000 beat is enough here, so move 1000 and 2000. Okay, write down this answer from this right hand side to the left hand side. So 0 0 0 and here 8. So write down the answer, 0 0 0 and 8. Okay, and back to the 0 level position. Okay, and next thing, that is next number, that is 8000 plus 2000. Okay, let me do, that is first number is 8000. So 0 0 0, here you have to move this 8 beat. So 5 6 7 8. So 8000 plus 2000 here. Here that is 1 beat is enough. So you have to apply the formula for plus 2. Okay, for plus 2 you have to move this plus 10, that is minus 8. Write down the answer now, that is 0 0 0 0 and 1. Write down the answer, 0 0 0 0, that is 4 0 here, and this is 1. What is the answer now? This is a 10,000. Okay, this is a 10,000, that is 140 here. So, and I have to explain one more sum by using, that is 4-digit number, 3-digit number and 2-digit number by itself, this Abacus kit. I will show you, that is first number, that is 1003, 203 and that is 2. Okay, let me do, that is this is 4-digit number, this is 3-digit number and this is 2-digit number. How to do this? This is very useful to the tutors and guides to promote the mathematical calculation, that is simple addition sums to the children. So write down your own number by practicing this for regular and practice. This promote your logical sense, speed, accuracy and concentration also. Okay, now this is we have to do this sum, that is first number, that is 1003 children. So this is ones place number. So 1, 2, 3, that is 0, 0 and 1. Okay, 1003. And 213. So for this 1, 2, 1, that is 2, 1. Here 3. For 3 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. Okay, and the answer last one is plus 2. So 1 and 2. Now write down the answer, children. That is from the right to the left. Here that is 8 and 1. Here 2 and final one is 1. So the answer is 1218. So for fraction of second you can find out the answer only by moving this beads and write down this answer. So I hope you children, this is a simple easy technique to improve your maths logical sense and practices by using Abacus kit. I hope you should understand. You must very enjoy this video clipping and follow this and practice it. I hope you can improve by this Abacus class. Thank you. Let me see in our future, that is Abacus, that is hand kit video in our next video. Thanks for watching Pebbles channel and kindly share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much. Bye children.